Hi, my friend, I'm Sackboy the Alien. Now, this short film is called Sackboy the Alien, Night of the Robot, released in 2001. Alex wants to be a director. Someone can use a clapperboard. Now, let's have an Om animation classic short film. Hi, I'm Sackting. Now, when I'm in the dark place, this will gonna have Night of the Robot. Alright then, let's watch and see what I start. Whoa, that's scary. Never mind that. Okay, bye for now. Hee hee. Ooh, this short film looks terrific. That's right, nom. Now, there is more productions will be coming soon. Alright, I'll see you real soon. Hee hee.